Andito na.
Despite the volunteers and multiple creators, these family cultural partners tend to explore their valuable civilian lives, become multiple professionals,
preparing them for the challenging responsibility as servicemen of the Philippine Coast Guard. These trainees are hoped to be more capable of carrying
Dumaguete City. Sa Catacandiyo, Delegate Resort of Celandia, Quezon City.
the profession has to offer. They decided to answer the call of patriotism, choosing the path of the uniformed service in this prestigious organization, the Philippine Coast Guard.
Who gives food them. Heavenly Father, our Creator and source of all goodness and love,
si Haya Bulaha Plus recognized effective this day. We are now booked for more officers not yet. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, sir.
At this point,
Ladies and gentlemen, witness as the Coast Guard Officers Course Class 30-2023 Bravo received the warm handshake from the members of the Philippine Coast Guard Officers Corps, embracing them as their younger brothers and sisters in the organization.
military customs and traditions.
Ambos gani asa si Kuya. So guys, nangita mo sa mga kuya ron guys. Roan na siya guys, naro daw sa likod. Ganito yung mata mo eh. Oy, asa is kuya? Ah, bro. Asa? Ah, bro. Ay, gandang payon kamalat. Oh, kalo. Ligi. Picture, oy. Tag-picture ako eh. Guys, nakita na mas kuya guys. Picture kita siya guys. Di mo lihok, gunitang itlog guys. Ano yung mga kauban guys. Halos kanang gila sila tanan. Guys. Mana yang body system.
Marching, the fundamental component of a drill, aims to cultivate a discipline, well-coordinated and professional coast guardians. Marching is a dated ceremonial tradition which displays synchronized mastery of movements and precise execution that creates a long-lasting bond among the coast guardians that may cherish through time. Bowing is a simple gesture of welcoming your guests to this performance. Everyone is requested to sit back, relax, and be amazed at what our slow drillers have prepared for us this morning. Being chosen as a driller is both privilege and responsibility. While other trainings are sound asleep, this men are already started. The Urban Brotherhood secures outlets for respect, responsibility, tolerance, and honesty. Today signifies months of hard work and the relentless pursuit of knowledge and skills that will enable us to embrace opportunities and take on challenges. These four lines represent the 4 point qualities of a true Coast Guardian. Professionalism, dedication to duty, hard work, and courage. The true embodiment of these collective qualities is what makes the true Coast Guard officer worthy of public trust. Now, they are a step closer to their dream of becoming full-fledged Philippine Coast Guard officers. From having different views and opinions on life, these trainings are thought to be anchored together and be propelled as one, to move as one, and be as one. Kaugalaan. Unbreakable bond between every Philippine Coast Guard personnel, proving that despite the distance and diversity of different regions of this archipelago, unity will always prevail. Every regional training center of the Coast Guard Education Training and Doctrine Command is united by one goal, which is
Check lang yung mga iyawan nito. Ang majurit. Ay pasyaw, majurit niya yung baril.
And now, our esteemed guest, let us all be in awe as our high and beloved slow drill mentor and our officer in charge display a performance like no other.
Mas Jumara.
Ferdan.
Pardon.
Ano yung trabaho mo Lola dito. Wala pa ka lang.
Bangga kayo dyan.
Wala.
Malinggir. So what's up guys? Nami diri karon sa Bagak, Bataan. Nag-attend may recognition rights ni Kuya. Kaya nag-apply sa officer sa Philippine Coast Guard. And actually nahuman na gyud siya, wala lang ko naka-intro ganiya. So wala na yung intro karon. So mo to lingaw init, di siya lingaw, init siya. Pero ma-amaze ka on how unsa sila ka disiplinado. Pero kay military man gud, so ana yun na. Pero kato karon manamig kaon. Nagulat na lang kay Kuya na makagawas.
Katong kuan, paatong gitar kay Kuya to. Pero ibon ni sa silupin.
Alright.
Bili na kung tubig. Ibili na na, dalaw na pwede sa kuan. Ay naman ta sa layo.